If you want to make your money grow in 2025, then follow these tips. Live below your means. The wealthy have one thing in common. They know how to spend less than they earn. If you earn rupees 50,000 a month, set aside at least rupees 10,000 for savings or investments before anything else. Prioritize your future over unnecessary expenses. Think about it. Being wealthy is not about flaunting brands, but about how much you have saved for your peace of mind, especially when it's time to retire. The sooner you start, the more comfortable your future will be. Create a budget. Are you letting your money slip away without a plan? You're not alone. In fact, 90% of Indian millennials don't follow a monthly budget, and 10% of those who do end up running out of funds by day 3. This financial chaos can be avoided with one simple step. Create a budget. Start by writing down your income sources and categorize your expenses as fixed and variable. The key is to ensure at least 20 to 30% of your income is allocated to savings or investments. Set financial goals. The importance of setting financial goals cannot be overstated, especially in today's uncertain financial climate. In India, inflation remains a significant concern for many consumers, and the rising costs demand for more careful planning around everyday expenses. A recent survey by Mintel revealed that nearly half of Indians are taking steps to curb discretionary spending to manage rising prices. This trend highlights the importance of setting concrete financial goals. Goals like saving rupees 10 lakh for your child's education within 5 years by saving rupees 16,667 per month. By setting a goal that speaks to your needs, be it for education, property, or health, you are making an actionable plan that aligns with the priorities of Indian consumers today. Start small but think big. Your financial future depends on what you do today. Avoid borrowing for consumption. Take control of your finances today by tracking every rupee that you spend for the next 1 week. This creates awareness of where your money is going and highlights unnecessary expenses you can cut. For example, instead of spending rupees 1,000 on coffee runs, set that amount aside for an emergency fund. Acting now can prevent you from turning to high interest credit during unexpected expenses. Remember that small changes today can protect you from big financial strains tomorrow. Don't wait and begin this simple step now. Invest your money. Don't let your hard-earned money sit idle. The cost of living in India is rising fast, with inflation having peaked at 7.4% in July 2023, making your savings value less every year. But here's the good news. Investing can help you beat inflation and grow your wealth. For example, if you invest rupees 5,000 monthly in a mutual fund with an average return of 12% annually, it could grow to rupees 1 crore in 20 years. You can start small by contributing to your EPF, PPF or SIPs. Diversify your investments across mutual funds, stocks and even gold to secure a bright financial future. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.